Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my year-long rolling project pan. I don't have any empties to share with you all, but I do have updates and I'm doing pretty well. If you love project pan videos, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So let's see, let's go on the top of my counter app here. So the first product that I actually rolled in last month is my Chanel Red Camellia Revitalizing Foundation. I almost said shampoo. I rolled this in last month and I thought it was up here, which you can kind of see that the mark that I made did go away. But now that I'm looking, I look like I am down here and I think I was about halfway. I would have to look at the pictures again to see. But for the month of October, I used it a total of 16 times. So we are already in November and I have used it a total of 22 times. This is a foundation that I've literally been mixing any other foundation with. I do one pump of this and then whatever other foundation. It's like literally my everyday foundation mixed with something else. I've really been enjoying it. It does the job. I haven't broken out. This is one of the oldest foundations in my collection. So that's why I wanted to kind of like get on it to try to finish it off. And I will have to put the flashlight against it, but I can kind of see that it's like down here. Again, this pretty much sits straight up and down every day, and I only pump one pump out of it every day and mix it. So I've really been enjoying it. It's doing the job. Even though it's the oldest foundation in my collection, it hasn't broken me out yet, knock on wood. So we will go from there. My goal is to finish that foundation off, but I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to finish it because it's literally right here. Maybe if I still, every time I apply foundation, mix it with something else. Because this color alone, it's too light on my skin, but mixed with like deeper foundations or just mixed with other ones, it kind of like works somehow. But for now, I'll just keep using it. Again, my goal is to finish it. Next up is my Urban Decay Gloss. I put this in here in September and I have used this a total of 73 times. And for the month of October, I used it 46 times. So this is a product that I do take to work. I did just grab it from my purse, so I was laying on the side. And from what we can see, I'm about here. This is where I started at. So I'm making pretty good progress. Again, my goal is to finish this off. I don't think I will finish this by next month, but again, we will see and go from there. I do like it. It does the job. I've been focusing on my project pan like liner and or lip liner and this, that I feel like my lips are always like nude. I want to play more with colors and stuff like that. So I don't know, but for now, I don't know why I said that, but I just feel like my lips are always kind of bare when I wear this color because it's not like overly pigmented or anything. So anywho, this is nice. It's doing the job. Again, another gloss in my collection that's older in my collection and I want to finish it off, get it done. It still smells like vanilla, still working, does the job, and it doesn't stink or anything. So I will keep working on this. Again, I don't think I will finish this by the end of the year, but slowly but surely working on it. Next up, I have my Pat McGrath powder that I did roll in last month. For the month of October, I used it 11 times and I have yet to use it this month. So this is what it is, the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. Again, I was really using it a lot in October, but then I kind of stopped because I don't know. I don't really know. Oh, why? I don't know why I stopped using it. I think it was, is there a shadow? There is a shadow right there. Hopefully you guys don't mind it. This is kind of a little dark, so it doesn't brighten the under eyes. This is again in the shade medium. I think that's why I kind of stopped using it, to be honest. And I can tell that it's going down, like it doesn't have the dome anymore. And I am making progress because I'm still using it. Again, another product that I want to finish off, but if I'm not using it, how is that going to happen, right? So definitely going to keep using it. Maybe I'll start applying it like in my T-zone area instead of my under eyes. Not sure, but for now, I'm still working on it. Next up is my Peaches and Cream bronzer. This one has been in here since when? Since January. So I finally hit pan last month in my update. So I've used this product for a total of 127 times. And for the month of October, I used it 24 times. And again, this is what it looks like. It's my Peaches and Cream bronzer, sculpting powder in the shade light medium. And my pan is getting bigger because I am using it more often. Last time I just shared like a little moon, but as you can see, my pan is bigger. It's getting like thin, even on the sides and stuff. This is a really good bronzer that I've been using, and yeah, I've been enjoying it. It looks good. My goal was to hit pan on it, decided to just leave it since there was only a couple months left in this project, and my pan has expanded, so that's great. So I like it. It's doing the job to bronze my skin. Next up in this project is my Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop highlight, and I've used this a total of 112 times, and for the month of October I used it 21 times. It's also actually the highlight I have on my skin. I really enjoy this highlight. It's beautiful, and again, I really like it, and my pan has definitely gotten bigger compared to how it was or how I started initially. And my goal again was to finish it off, but obviously that's not going to happen. A little bit goes a long way, and this product is just really beautiful. I always enjoy it every time I apply it. It's just beautiful. It's definitely one of my favorite highlights in my collection. And I think I don't know if Becca took over Champagne Pop as well. Maybe, but again, this is one of my favorites in my collection. Just working on it. I know the pan has expanded since being in this project, and it's beautiful. I really enjoy it. Next up, I have another Becca product. This is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector in the shade Light Medium. So I've used this a total of 119 times, and for the month of October, I used it 23 times. And I'm making progress. I'm trying to focus my brush on these sides that are more thin, and it's still taking a little bit to use up. I had a hair in there, so I was like trying to take it out. It's still taking its precious time to be used up here. So there's quite a bit of like brush hairs in there. So again, another goal to use up by the end of the year. This baby is taking its precious time to be used up. As you can see, I have used it. I used it 23 times in October. It is also the corrector I've been using. I'm trying to use it every single day so I can get it out, but this just wants to linger on. So it's still a great product, and I'm still trying to get my use out of it. It's doing the job. So I guess it's definitely worth it if I've already used it 119 times. And this is just in this project, because I'll have to put a picture of what it looked like when I initially put it in. Like how many times did I use it before then, you know? So this is definitely worth the product, I feel. It's giving me a lot of uses, so I think it's worth it. Next up is my Mario Concealer. This is the Surreal Skin Awakening Concealer. I have the shade 220. As you can see, I have a lot of window, and this product's pretty much about gone. So I've used this a total of 103 times, and this was in here since January. And for the month of October, I used it 21 times. This is another product that I'm trying to like really finish off and be done with. There's still some product in there, but there's definitely window in here. It's again doing its job, about being done, but every time that I apply it, you can see product on the wand, so that's why I keep using it. I was thinking that I didn't like it, but I kind of do, so I'm not really sure, just because I'm really trying to focus to finish it off. I feel like if you apply a lot, it does crease and looks heavy on the under eyes, kind of like the Hourglass concealer. That a little bit goes a long way. They're more of like a fuller coverage type of concealer. So for now, maybe I'll pick it up during a sale. I'm about done with his powder. I really like that powder. Anytime I'm traveling, that powder is what goes with me. I know my skin will look good and smooth when I wear it. So I know he's done like 25-30% off site-wide. So maybe I'll throw this back in. We'll see if I end up missing it or not. I think the color is what works for me, but the formula is just kind of a little tricky. If you use a little bit too much, it does crease on my under eyes. Again, just as I keep using it, I'm like, okay, it's not that bad, but it's an okay concealer. It's doing the job, so I'm glad I'm getting my use out of it. Next up is my Chantecaille Sea Turtle Blush. This is in the shade Gray, so it's just like a pinky nude color. This is what it looks like. I've hit pan and still expanding. I kind of want to like repress it, because I feel like I have to like focus my brush on this side to get some pigment, and it's not like overly pigmented or anything, so I feel like if I maybe repressed it, it would give me more pigmentation. I don't know. But I've used this a total of 73 times. This has been in this project since January. And for the month of October, I used it a total of 13 times. Again, I keep thinking about like repressing it, but I don't know. We will see. Let me know if I should. Probably not, because we only have another month or so to go. My goal was to hit pan. I did that, but I just left it in here again because now it's like, oh, let's finish it, you know? I don't want to just have blushes like this in my collection. I don't know, when stuff has pan or like about done, like I just want to finish it. Like I don't want it lingering in my collection. So we'll keep working on it. I'm sure I'll end up throwing it again in next year's project pan. So we'll go from there. Okay, next up is my NYX lip liner. This is the shade Soft Brown. I'm not really sure on the name because this is how little this baby is, and this I've been taking to work, and it's been working out so great for me. I apply it at work, reapply up to like 3 times, and I'm getting my use out of it. I wish I would have done this sooner, because this has been in here since the beginning of this project in January, and now the last 2 months is when I'm making progress. We'll see. we'll see how I end up. But I've used this a total of 86 times, and for the month of October, I used it 32 times. Guys, I've used it 32 times. In September, when I actually started taking it to work, I used it 20 times, and now in October, I used it 32 times. Like, I've been reapplying this baby, guys. So it's crazy just to see from January to August, 5, 6, 2, 4, 1 uses, and now taking it to work. Like, take your lip products to work. Mariela, take your lip products to work. That's where you're getting your usage out of. But I'll share a picture of the difference of where it was and where it's at now. Again, making so much progress taking my lip products to work. If I'm making progress, guys, you will make progress as well. Hopefully I meet my goal of like getting down here, but I don't know, we'll see. I think there'll still be some products left over, but again, I'm making progress just taking it, having it at work. Okay, 2 more products left. Next up is my LA Colors gel eyeliner, and this is in the shade Midnight Black. This is what it looks like. It wasn't full size when I put it in here, but a lot of my eyeliners are getting older in my collection, and they are also from LA Colors when they sent me PR a few years ago, and they're just getting older. They don't glide on the eyes as easily, and they also sent lip liners and they don't glide on the lips either. So I'm figuring out that it's probably time to get rid of them and refresh my eyeliner collection, because that is what I apply on my eyes, and I don't want to get a sty or an eye infection because my eyeliners are old. This one, I find that it's not like dried out, but it's not like overly creamy or anything. It's kind of in between, but I feel like I probably should get rid of this too. Again, LA Colors used to send me PR, and I've had these for over, I think, at least 4 years. So yeah, I need to get rid of that and just work on new products in my collection. And then lastly, I have my Give Beauty. This is the Pick It Up Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo in the shade Toastin'. And when I put it in here, I only wanted to focus on the cream product right there and hit pan on it. And I feel like I'm going to be close. I am definitely making progress on the side of the pan. I'll definitely put a close-up. You can see right there how there's a dip, so I might have pan there soon. We will see. It is not what I'm wearing on my skin today, but I've been trying to use it. It's definitely more on the warmer side on my skin. I've been using it for work again, so let's see. I've used this a total of 15 times, and for the month of October, I used it 11 times. So just the 15 times I've used it, I'm already making progress on the side there. Again, my goal was to hit pan on that, so we will see how it goes. This was probably going to be something I'll roll in the next project pan I do next year, and actually finish both of them up. Finish the cream bronzer and then this powder bronzer, and we will see. This looks really orange though. Maybe it'll be fine. I don't know. I did swatch it, but it does look a little orange there. Right there. We will see. But for now, I'm making progress and have like the start of pan since the side is getting low. So yeah, I'm really enjoying the products that I have in this project pan. Definitely the Becca corrector is my favorite. The Chanel I've been enjoying. I've actually been enjoying a lot of the products in this round. I need to do a tally of everything I finished during this project pan and what I've rolled out and what I finished, because I did that last year and it was like really eye-opening to see. I will have to get on that and watch my videos to see what I rolled out, what I finished, and share with y'all next month. I can't believe it's already November. I have literally like a month or so left of this project and it'll be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any project pan videos, let me know. I'd love to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.